Real health is not just about your body, it's your mind, your peace, and your mood. It's about taking breaks without guilt, saying no without fear, asking help, and knowing that's a strength, not a weakness. I'm going to be your interviewer today. I'm going to ask you a series of rapid fire questions.
Okay.
So what's your name?
Ola.
Okay, cool. So do you prefer diet or mindset?
Mindset.
Okay. Exercise or rest?
Exercise.
Steps or sleep?
Oh, sleep.
Stress or peace?
Peace.
Okay, and isolation or support?
Support.
Self-compassion or self-discipline?
Self-discipline.
Okay, breaking routine or sticking to it?
Breaking routine.
And online therapy or in-person therapy?
In person.
And what does mental health mean to you?
Peace.
Seriousness.
Seriousness. Okay, could you elaborate on that answer?
I think it needs to be taken seriously so that people listen and then there's action.
So, you think you've got it all figured out? Think you know health? Think again.
Health.
Health.
Health. Health.
Health. Health. Health. Health.
Health.
Health. Health.
Health.
Health.
Health.